Welcome to our channel. If you want to upgrade your Zoom account from the free basic plan to a paid pro or premium plan for extended meeting times and additional features, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Sign in to your Zoom account at zoom.us using your email address and password. Step 2. Click on your profile picture or account icon in the top right corner and select Account Management from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Billing section from the left sidebar menu in your account settings. Step 4. Click on Purchase Plans or Upgrade Plan to view available subscription options. Step 5. Review the different Zoom plans available, including Pro, Business, and Enterprise, along with their features and pricing. Step 6. Select the plan that best fits your needs by clicking the Buy Now or Upgrade button next to your chosen plan. Step 7. Choose your billing cycle, either monthly or annual. Annual billing typically offers a discount compared to monthly payments. Step 8. Enter your payment information including credit card details and billing address to complete the purchase. Step 9. Review your order summary and confirm the purchase. Your account will be upgraded immediately and you'll gain access to all pro or premium features right away. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.